Guys, alam niyo ba Maribank already launches its credit card? Ganito lang siya ha. Ito yung kagandahan niya. Yung Maribank mo na card na yan, di ba debit siya? Pero pwede rin siya maging credit card. So parang dual use siya. Now, naka-beta test sila right now for some select Maribank users and customers lang siya. If you click on your card section, makikita mo dito, upgrade to MariCard Credit. So magiging upgrade mo siya to debit and credit. So isipin mo, ganito lang siya ha. Yung Maribank na card mo, debit card siya plus credit card siya. So parang dual function siya. So guys, if you check your app, kung meron ka na nito yung upgrade to MariCard Credit, guys, no annual fee for life siya or no annual fees, guys, then you can apply na. Pero kung wala, you have to wait. So guys, let me know kung meron ka nang nakikitang ganyan sa app mo. Now, guys, ito siya ha. No annual fee for life siya, so zero. Cashback niya up to 1% and wala pa rin siyang forex markup. Ang bongga, di ba? So guys, if you're going to see it, di ba dito siya, debit plus credit or debit lang. So isipin mo, guys, it can function as a credit card or if you can toggle it kung gusto mo maging debit card siya. So, you have the decision or you have the choice kung gusto mo maging debit card siya or credit card. Okay, some notes ha guys. Kung debit card siya, now, ang best gagamitin mo sa debit card mo kung mag-withdraw ka abroad kasi yung ATM mo, guys, walang fees yan, di ba? And zero forex pa rin naman siya kahit debit or credit. Now, for credit card, syempre, dahil credit card siya, guys, merong interest yan na 3% if you do not pay on time and full payment. So, kung kulang-kulang yung pagbayad mo, guys, it's like a credit card, 3% rin ang kanyang interest monthly. Now also, syempre, meron niyang minimum requirements. If you are 18 years old and below, guys, debit card pa lang pwede. Pero kung 21 ka and above, guys, pwede ka na mag-apply ng credit, na debit plus credit siya. And of course, meron rin siyang supporting documents if ever kailangan mo man mag-apply nun or kung kailangan niya humingi para mas mataas yung credit limit mo. Again guys, we'll post more about it pero guys, mali mo, nandyan na yan. Let me know, comment down below if ever meron ka na nun or kung wala ka pa nun.